The Pimp Edition? Heck yeah. I don't know, what do you call this? Poopy brown color? It's different and I like it. Okay, maybe I don't want the truck. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike back at Copart today. Look at the clouds in the sky. We may have a little bit of rain, that's okay. It's not gonna dampen my spirits and it shouldn't dampen yours as well because look at this. Look at all of the inventory they have for us to explore today. I don't know how many cars they have out here, maybe 1,000, 2,000, I don't know, but it's a lot. Cars, trucks, every kind of vehicle you could ever want, including the tow vehicle I have been looking for months. So we're gonna check it out. It's a Cadillac, it's a pickup truck,